Welcome, WBP stars. Viki Geunes restaurant Zilte here, Antwerp, Belgium, on top of the Mass Museum. So I proudly present you one of our signature dishes as well, our lobster. Lobster is grilled a little bit with pandan butter. We infused the butter with pandan leaves. Some meaty carrots, confit, then lacquered on our barbecue. Some pepper, bell pepper puffed. We made a vinaigrette of carrot reduction and some lobster stock. And we're also gonna make, to finalize the dish, muselin with vadova, fermented spices. So to start, we grilled our carrots on the barbecue on the conro, and we use a lac of white pomzor, some ginger syrup, some reduced dashi, and some honey. Grilling them really softly so you get a nice caramelization the outside of the carrot, and the pomzo gives the acidity in the preparation. For the lobster, we cooked it, took it out of the shell, and now also adding the pandan leaf butter. Make lukewarm, really inside so soft, not overcooked. We're gonna let this set. Meanwhile, we're making a vinaigrette. We have here carrot juice passed by a centrifuge, then the clear stock of a lobster, and let it reduce completely until it has a really strong taste of carrots and lobster. We're adding some soya germs inside, just raw, chopped, fresh coconut, and some candied sea buckthorn. Adding some oil of sea buckthorn. We also added some white wine vinegar. We're using some coriander leaves inside. For the pepper, we cooked them in the oven and peeled it and let it dry really gently under a heating lamp. And we finalized it with some garum made of egg white. Meanwhile, taking care of our lobster and the carrots. So, and as mentioned, the second preparation of our sauces. We infused in some vegetable stock the vadova. By this we're gonna make the muselin. It's like a curry infused muselin we're gonna make. Also use a little bit of fish sauce. And now gently whisk it until we have a nice foam. And at the very end we add some clarified butter. Meanwhile, the carrots very nicely glazed and caramelized. Whisking the melted clarified butter. Juice. Taking out our two sauces, our muselin and our vinaigrette of the carrot reduction, the lobster broth, nicely caramelized carrots with ponzu and ginger. Main product, our lobster. Going now lobster. You see it's nice glazy inside still. You can sure it's really soft, tender, and has the natural taste of the lobster still inside. Carrots. Pepper finished with the garum of the egg whites, having full flavor, sweet, slightly salted with the garum, carrots, garlic, flowers, coriander. Basil flowers. We got a vinaigrette with the sea buckthorn oil, soya germs, candied sea buckthorn as well. So then to finalize, a little bit of the muselin, the valuva, curry, so our main lobster, pepper, confit of lacquered carrots, sea buckthorn.